other apps. So that opens up really numerous opportunities. For example, domain name servers before we have IP address. It's not easy to remember. Although now it's even harder to remember. But when we turn and give them a name, it changed the whole story. You no longer have to. I'm sure many of you don't even have to try to remember these things like Facebook.com, Yahoo.co, Viking.cn. People, human, we have this habit of remembering names already. So we don't believe in changing that, but more importantly, to change the underlying technology. Currently, blockchain is facing a similar issue. Hash. And it's even harder to remember. But what if we turn these hash into something like this? What if in the near future, we'll be visiting more and more decentralized websites like Facebook.etc or Amazon.eth, Twitter.etc. So I believe a lot in sort of imagining what's going to be like in the future. That's kind of our incentive and passion that really drives our project. So currently, right now, when you visit my decentralized website, ChristopherShen.eth, the file is stored on IP address. It has a smart contract in it that you send, for example, Ether to me through my Ether wallet. So you can go on my Ether wallet type, or Myth wallet, or my crypto type, ChristopherShen.eth. When you send the Ether to me, I actually go to our two different addresses. So we can have a smart contract. We have a lot more of it and do a lot of things. Essentially, we can create a decentralized e-commerce that's autonomous and almost cannot be shut down. So we're living in a different era, moving very fast from Web 1.0 to Web 2.0. But we're now imagining what is it like in Web 3.0, a sort of where an owner can change their state and transfer their state instead of states, where we actually own our data and don't rely on cookies. And this is sort of a raw idea of what we think decentralized technical stack is like. Where decentralized domain register is kind of like the front gate, and different operating systems. As we don't know who is basically the end game, so we think that different operating system is important to work together to share these resources and adoptions. So in a decentralized website, we have a decentralized operating system, decentralized file storage, decentralized data storage, decentralized CDN, for example, and pretty much have a decentralized application, decentralized website. And now, even today, we are already able to use these decentralized infrastructure to build a decentralized website application. All it needs is easy guidelines and tools to drive that mass adoption. But the tools are working. So Portal, ever since we started in 2017, we've been actively look into the blockchain ecosystem and trying to work with multiple blockchain protocols. One of the reasons for that is if we look at centralized internet, development and adoption of usually only go to one. But when it comes to decentralized, you have different protocols to choose from. And we believe that it's important to work with multiple blockchain protocols and to provide this sort of a decentralized domain name service, allowing each developer to choose whatever protocol they want to. So blockchain name service, it somehow solved the Zuko triangle, where it is decentralized, it is human memorizable, meaningful, and secure. So adoption will not only come on blockchain name service. There are needs surrounding products. So we built two main platforms. One we call it Lume, which focus on non-technical user adoption and empower both technical and non-technical users to easily interact and deploy decentralized website or API. The first thing we did was creating a marketplace that makes it frictionless for you to easily buy and sell domain name. When you want to drive adoption, like convincing, for example, a guy on a coffee shop to buy a decentralized domain name, he's probably not going to interact with the contract directly by sending transactions to unseal the bid or finalize the bid. You might just want to buy like how you would buy it on GoDaddy, for example. So the marketplace allows any user to easily buy, sell, and bid on domain name. It automatically helps you unseal the bid, so you no longer have to unseal the bid 3 days later, finalize the bid if you win. Send you a notification when it's about to end to create this friendly user experience. Everything that I'm about to show you today is workable, and there's a link that you can check it out and try it out. Afterward, we created a domain manager. You can imagine it being like a decentralized domain DNS that allows you to manage cross-chain blockchain inserts. So you can create your own subdomain. You can create like about.facebook.eth, today.facebook.eth, for example. You can connect different wallet address to it. You can connect different IP hash with it. That's fine. So we're allowing non-technical users to easily manage these domains to create better options. And so now we have a place where you can buy domain, a place you can manage domain. The next thing we're thinking, how do we let users actually build their own eWeb and host it on? And so we created what we call a web builder that allows any non-technical user to choose a template they want and then deploy it on IPFS. And they can share it with their friends and view it through MetaMask and so on. We also have an uploader that allows you to upload HTML zip file, and just like how you will do it the centralized ways, and basically to start experiencing sort of a raw idea of what decentralized is. Then we know that, again, you need an extension that can turn sort of regular browser to be able to read decentralized, especially having different protocols. So we created a browser extension that you can download from Google and be able to view these decentralized websites. I simply type in, for example, Christopher.icon. And a showcase is where we basically categorize these websites. So we launched this in August, and a lot of people start uploading to their DWeb. We didn't realize a lot of people actually love to try IPFS, love to try decentralized architecture. And then here you can actually find different decentralized websites that people build, and it's like you're kind of like searching in the sense that you can type in, like, for example, dog, and then find the image about dog on it. And then explore. We have different protocols, so we have explore, that you can find information about it. What's the highest bid, when it was bid, where it was transferred to, when you transfer to. So on our Explorer, you can easily basically type in information like Christopher.etc and find information about it. Then we create an application that you can download and manage your domain name. We're now launching on the Coinbase wallet, or Toshi wallet, so allow you to easily manage your domain name. Okay, so all of that is for non-technical user adoption. Then the next part I want to focus is an even crucial problem, and that is the technical user adoption. So Kaizen is a platform where we empower users to learn, deploy, run, and manage decentralized applications. So my team works from Taiwan, and we often we have a new developer or talking to other engineers to try blockchain. We often find out that a lot of these tech is scattered around. Like, if you look at back in 2016 and now 2018, there's like 2,000 more solutions, I think. And when you have abundant information, you just don't know where to start. So Kaizen is that tool that we're attempting to create that one-stop solution, where we translating a lot of this information into, for example, Chinese, English, Japanese, Korean, and to work with different teams and creating this adoption in one of the most straightforward way. The first tool that we did is Kaizen management system. You can imagine it being like